And I figure why not. Got the Creative Steel elimivibe trans mount and engine mount for a 2011 C63 AMG, and it's replacing the ECE ones. Trans mount was fine. Really didn't need to replace it. Won't lie on that one, but I did anyway. But after looking at it, that one's definitely still fine. However, I see some other pictures and stuff. Had me look from underneath, and I could tell. See if this will let you see. So, you can't tell all that well. Doggone it. But the bottom part of the polyurethane inserts are definitely mushroomed. Tops look fine though. Tops don't look mushroomed that much on these ECE mounts. But gave enough that there is play. You can move it rather easily in the grand scheme. So that was definitely some of my fun with the vibration and stuff. But I love these ECE mounts. I have not seen anything negative. These things were great when and while they were in tip-top shape. Only negative was they probably lasted a good 17,000 miles, and that was it. And the heat was able to zap them enough that, essentially, as everyone probably knows in the community, and why they discontinued them, which I knew going in, by the way. I knew that. I was just hoping from where I was more, I don't know, leniently daily driving it, that I might get a little bit more out of them. So I was aware of the polyurethane replacement need on the ECE mounts after a duration of time from time to time. So in no way am I saying a negative on that. The only thing I'm saying is I tried Creative Steel's elimivibe to hopefully see if they have a little bit more longevity, like they possibly mentioned. We'll find out in a few months, in a few thousand miles. I'll try to report back on them, but I do want to give a video of the ECE mounts, and I might do one after I disassemble them as well to show the polyurethane insert on the bottom. I don't think the tops are going to be that mushroomed. I think it's mainly going to be the bottoms. I think they're the ones that end up bearing the brunt of the weight and pressure whenever we do our fun time moments. Yeah, just a quick video on that. ECE there. Oh, and hell's bells for shits and giggles. Might as well. Some have been asking about the gyro disc, Euro disc, however you want to say it, disc, rotors, two-piece, and gotta say that overall not bad. I've definitely got about a little over 3,000 miles on them now, and I'm using the EBC blue pads. Still have some, quite a bit of brake dust, but these motherfuckers stop. And they stop very fucking well. I mean, anyways. They'll surprise you sometimes still. They'll surprise you. They will indeed. Try to clean them as much as I can, but for the price in the end, they're definitely worth it. So far in my book, I've enjoyed them. Don't ask about that damage on that caliper, please. If you do, I'll have to tell you the truth and then you'll laugh at me. But yeah. So Euro disc rotors on 2011 C63 AMG. Hats fit on there great. Been really good so far. Enjoyed them. Gotta say, the definite improvement in the stopping power. Alright. Hope everyone has fun. Be safe out there.